Hi everyone, thanks for tuning in to another episode of What's Cooking in Worcester. Today we're going to be making a red, white, and blue frozen yogurt bar, just in time for the 4th of July. This recipe calls for 3 cups of fat-free Greek vanilla yogurt, a half a cup of honey, 1 cup of white chocolate chips, 1 cup of fresh raspberries or cut strawberries, today I'm using strawberries, and 1 cup of fresh blueberries. In a medium bowl, I'm going to combine the yogurt and the honey and fold in my white chocolate chips. And once I get this all evenly mixed, then I'm just going to fold in my white chocolate chips. Then I'm going to line my cookie sheet with parchment paper and pour the yogurt mixture evenly over the cookie sheet, smoothing it thinly with my spatula. Now for the fun part, adding in the fresh fruit. Now that we're all finished, we're just going to put it in the freezer for at least 2 hours. Remember to eat healthy, be active, and prevent diabetes today. And happy 4th, everyone.